You had all the grounds for this recount. There was gross mismanagement of the woman member of parliament election, first of all conducting, coordination, and even tallying. There was deliberate, malicious mismanagement by the returning officer Ewan Naduli. He was in connivance directly with the police and some army officers. I highly condemn. First of all, I have never cried ever since these things happened to me. But when the magistrate was breaking down every reason for my appeal, I broke down because I remembered the impunity. I remembered the lawlessness with which Naduli handled this. That's why part of our witnesses are parish supervisors. I don't know why Moise is misleading the country. He has failed to choose between being a lawyer and being an advocate. Rather being an advocate and a politician. And he has failed to do any well. He's not winning cases. He's also not winning in politics. So he has resorted to misleading the country. Let me tell you, part of the special detail in my case is that employees of Electoral Commission, parish supervisors, division supervisors of elections, presiding officers are my witnesses. They came out to say we conducted elections everywhere. But in polling stations where Nameere was winning highly, 400 plus, 500 plus votes, the returning officer refused to tally those polling stations. Let me educate this country that a parish like Bugabira, a parish like Kakunyu has 6 polling stations, only 6. So when you abandon 11 polling stations, you are talking about approximately 2 parishes. I could not take that. My votes were altered whenever they pleased. I get 115, they put 15. Nalwa gets 13, they put 130. It was deliberate. You saw the division, the armored division commander, Sunday. He was at that tally center for 2 days. When you ask him, what were you doing at the tally center? He has no answer. When Naduli was questioned by CIDs why he declared the wrong person, he implicated the RPC, Ezra Tugume. He said Tugume ordered him to declare Nalubowa. Electoral Commission was invited as one of the respondents in this case. All Ugandans and all Masaka witnessed. Electoral Commission refused to come. They had nothing to defend. They were guilty of all the issues that we raised. I was cheated. I want to take you back to how Nalubowa acquired the National Unity Platform party card. Every Masaka knows that day Nalubowa was declared as the holder of the NUP card. There were protests here. All the NUP supporters, we witnessed from our side, because for us we are not members of NUP. But all the NUP supporters said no, no, no. Nalubowa cannot have the card. It is sawia with the ground. You all remember. Religious leaders came out. NUP leaders, stakeholders, they all protested and said Nalubowa cannot have this card. This brings me to the question. What is it about Nalubowa? Why is she always getting wins that are not wins in the eyes of the public? She's given a NUP card, the public immediately rejected it. She said, no, this woman is not on ground. She's declared as a winner, the public immediately said, no, not Nalubowa. She has not won. I am convincing you, I am informing you. By the way, I am helping you, Masaka. Especially both NRM and NUP. NUP watch Nalubowa with a keen eye. She's a political double dealer. She's playing innocent. She's saying that how can she, a NUP person, cheat an NRM, yet we are the ones in power. Nalubowa, you know that you managed to do that because you are in bed with NRM mafias. You are assisted by NRM criminal elements to cheat an NRM rightful winner. So don't play the innocent. Don't hoodwink the innocent Noop supporter. Don't hoodwink them. What you did is bad politics. You connived with some bad people in NRM who want to defeat Nameere because I am an advocate for accountability. You are aware I have been the frontliner in asking questions that need to be asked in this city, right from the city management to the running of affairs to the revenues to everything. So some people are threatened by a voice of truth like me. So they picked up Nalwo and used her. She's aware that what she did wasn't a win, it was connivance. Her time is up. We are going for a recount. I am the rightful winner, even in the eyes of God.